with KHON2 Weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Lapule, happy Sunday. The weather was quite gorgeous outside with some locally breezy trade winds, mostly dry conditions. That may be taking us into the new week, but those winds, that may be changing a little bit. Tomorrow, at least here in Honolulu, we're expecting a lot of sunshine, some areas, a little more cloud coverage, so partly cloudy skies is expected. Those wind speeds, though, we're starting to get into a light and more of a variable wind pattern that's going to be taking place and carrying us pretty much into next weekend. But speaking of our winds, a quick update for hurricane season, which, by the way, even though that we're getting into the wet and winter season, we're still in hurricane season up until the ending of next month. We still are looking at one disturbance far in the eastern Pacific within the next week, a 90% chance of forming into a cyclone. A track looks to be moving in our direction. We'll be keeping our eyes on that. Be sure to download the KHON2 mobile app and subscribe to those push alerts to stay informed as well. For tomorrow, the threats really is just about the ocean conditions. We do have that coastal flood statement for the National Weather Service. That in addition to a small craft advisory for the eastern waters, at least through tomorrow. Tomorrow's high tide with the greatest chance of that coastal flooding, 7:14. In terms of the surf, again, 2 to 4 footers up north and 1 to 3 footers here on Oahu for all the other coastlines. Now, across the islands, we've been seeing a lot of sunshine. Those clouds are still being pushed in from the east, so we still have those trade winds, but we have a lot of disturbance that is taking place north of the islands. And what's going to be happening over the next coming days is that's going to continue to keep and disrupt our winds and keeping it on the lighter side. So we are going to be starting to get into more light and variable conditions with some land and sea breeze patterns because of these disturbances up north, and that could be weakening our trade winds, which is going to give a little break from the focus of showers for usually on the windward sides when we have trade winds. Well, we're going to start to see more of a focus of afternoon showers for leeward areas as the winds remain on the lighter side, and then we may even start to begin seeing a higher chance of showers as we get into the ending of this upcoming week into next weekend, because we may have an upper level disturbance that may move over the islands and destabilize the atmosphere somewhat. So we'll be keeping our eyes on that. But until then, at least for tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, rain chances. We are going to be seeing more of a dry weather pattern, at least for the next few days. But again, we are going to be stepping into our wet season, which we have already, but we are expecting from December to the ending of the season, which is April, to be above average in rainfall activity. So be aware of that. But for the next few days ahead of us, it's looking to be mostly dry. Those winds again will remain on the light side and even become more southerly as we get into next weekend.